Hey everyone, and welcome back to Scratch, where we scratch that cooking itch with quick and delicious recipes. Today, we're making crispy, golden mozzarella sticks that are perfect for any occasion. First, let's go over what we'll need. 2 eggs, 1 pound of fresh mozzarella, 1.5 cups of Italian-style breadcrumbs, and a cup of flour. We'll start by cracking our eggs and lightly beating them with a fork. Then we'll cut our mozzarella into sticks. We'll create an assembly line with our flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. We'll dip each mozzarella stick into the flour, then the eggs, and finally coat them well with breadcrumbs. Then we'll lay them on a tray, lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat, and freeze them for about 2 hours. After they're done freezing, we'll heat our oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit and fry them until they're beautifully golden browned. About 90 seconds. Working in batches if necessary. We'll serve these hot with a side of marinara sauce and watch them disappear. That's it for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Scratch for more tasty treats.